to my channel Crack the Maths. So in this video we are going to see exercise 4.1 matrix for 12th CBSE in 12th CBSE book. So the first sum they have given is if A is equal to this matrix, they have asked to find order of matrix. First one, order of matrix they have asked. So what will be the order of matrix here? Order of matrix is nothing but R into C, right? So how many rows we have in this? We have 3 rows and 4 columns. So order of the matrix will be 3 into 4. In the second subdivision they have asked for number of elements. So number of elements means it's nothing but you need to multiply the order of matrix. If you multiply it, you will get 12 elements, right? Or else you can count the count the number of elements in the matrix. If you count it, you will get the same 12. So this is the way to find the number of elements. So third thing they have asked for the values of 1, 3, 2, 1, 8, 3, 3, 8, 2, 4 and 8, 2, 3. So what will be the A, 1 and 3? So 19 will be the answer for this. 8, 2, 1 means 35 will be the answer. A, 3, 3 means minus 5. A, 2, 4 means 12 and A, 2, 3 means 5 by 2. Okay. This is our first sum. Okay. Second sum what they have asked is if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 13 elements? Okay. So first one is 24 elements they have given. So as we did in our example for 8 elements, how many possibilities we need to check, right? So to check the possibilities, it's nothing but we need to find m into n, how many possibilities. So 24, what are the possible tables we can use for 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 8 and 24, right? So how we can do it? So how we can pair these numbers? 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6, 6 into 4, 8 into 3, 12 into 2, 24 into 1. So how many possibilities? 8 possibilities we can make. Is it right? Okay. So next one they have given us 13 elements. As we know 13 is a prime number. So it can be made only through 1 and itself. So the possibilities are 1 into 13 and 13 into 1. So we have 2 possibilities in this. Okay. Am I made myself clear with this? Okay. So next one, next sum. Third one, it is given same, it's given for 18 elements and 5 elements. So 18 elements means you need to find the m into n possibilities. So what are the possible tables? 1, 3, 6, 9 and 18, right? So how we can pair 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6, 18 into 1, 6 into 3 and 9 into 2. So how many possibilities? 1, 2, 3 and 6 possibilities we have here. For 5 is a prime number. So how many possibilities will be there? 2, right? 5 into 1 and 1 into 5. Okay. Am I made myself clear with this elements formation? How does it pass? Okay. So now we can go for our fourth. What is given for the fourth question? Construct a 2 into 2 matrix. 2 into 2 matrix of A is equal to Aij, whose elements are given by first subdivision. What they have given is y plus j the whole square by 2. We know, right? 2 into matrix means A11, A12, A21 and A22. This is what we will write for 2 into 2 matrix, right? So if we need to find all the values. A11 means in the place of I and j we will substitute it. 1 plus 1 the whole square. So only the square comes for the upper thing. Okay. So 2 square by 2, 4. In 8, 1, 2, what you will substitute? 1 plus 2 the whole square by 2, right? So 3 square, 9 by 2. Answer. Next one for A, 2, 1. 2 plus 1 the whole square by 2. Again we will end up with 9 by 2. Next A22 means 2 plus 2 the whole square by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 square 16 by 2. So we will get 8. So what is the answer we are getting? 4, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. Okay. 4 by 2, right? 4 by 2 means we will get with 2. Okay. 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. This is for first subdivision. Okay. Okay. Then shall we go for the second subdivision? Second subdivision, what they have given is Aij is equal to I by j they have given. Same A11, A12, A21 and A22, right? The matrix will be. So you need to find A11. A11 means 1 by 1, 1. A12 means 1 by 2. A21 means 2 by 1, 2. A22 means 2 by 2, 1. So the matrix we will get it 1, 1 by 2 and 2 and 1. Okay. So this is for second subdivision. For the third subdivision, they have given as Aij is equal to I plus 2j the whole square by 2. So same thing, A11, A12, A21 and A22, right? So for A11, 1 plus 2 into 1 by 2 the whole square means how it will come? 9 by 2, right? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 the whole square, 9 by 2. A12 means 1 into 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 plus, okay. So 5 square, 25 by 2. A21 means 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 3 square, 9 by 2. And A22 means 2 plus 4 by 2 the whole square means 36 by 2. So we will get 18. Okay. So what is the answer we are getting? 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8 and 18. Okay. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 square, 9. 9 by 2. Okay. Sorry, 9 by 2. Okay. So this is what we are getting for Aij for this value. So are you thorough with these three things? Shall we go for the fifth question then? Okay. So what is the fifth question they have given? They have given us for Aij 1 by 2 modulus of minus 3i plus j. So 3 into 4 matrix they have given. Means 3 rows we need to form and 4 columns. A14, 21, A22, A23, A24 and A31, A32, A33 and A34. Okay. So for first, for A11, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 1, 1 by 2 minus 2, so 1. A12, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 2. So 1 by 2 minus 3 plus 2. So 1 by 2. So A13 means 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 3. So 0. A14, 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 plus 4. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2, right? Yes, 1 by 2. Okay. So next A21. A21 means 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 1. So 5 by 2. Okay. A22 means 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 2. So 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 2. What you will get? 4 by 2 is 2. A23 is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 3. So 1 by 2 minus 6 plus 3 is 3 by 2, right? Okay. A24 is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 2 plus 4. So 6 plus minus 6 plus 4, 2. So 1 you will get. Okay. So for the last row, A31 is 1 by 3 minus 3 into 1 plus 3. Sorry, 3 and 1. So 1 by 3 minus 9 plus 1 is 8 by 2, 4. 8, 3, 2 is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 2. So 3 3s are 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2, 7 by 2. 8, 3, 3 is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 3. So 1 by 2, 9 plus 3, sorry, 9 minus 3, 6, right? So 3. 8, 3, 4 is 1 by 2 minus 3 into 3 plus 4. So 9 plus 4, you will get 5 by 4. So we have found all the values. Now we are going to substitute all the values in the matrix. So if we substitute, what we will get? 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 4, 7 by 2, 3 and 5 by 2. We have found all this. We have found this. Okay. So the second sum is, Aij is given as 2i minus j. So the same thing, okay. The matrix is what? A11, A12, A13 and A14. So A21, A22, A23 and A24. 31, 32, 33 and 34. So the same thing we need to find. I just write the answer so you can check with it. Okay. A21 will be 3 and A31 will be 5. A12 will be 0. A22 will be 2. A32 will be 4. A13 will be minus 1. A23 will be 1 and A33 will be 3 and A14 will be minus 2. A24 will be 0 and A34 will be 2. Okay. So we can form it, right? 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 4, 3 and 2. Okay. So this is what you will get. Okay. So next we are moving on to the sixth sum. What is given is you need to find the xyz values. Okay. You need to find the xyz values. So the first sum they have given is 4, 3, x5 equal to yz1, 5. So how you will find it? You will compare it, right? So in the place of y you have 4, in the place of x you have 1 and in the place of z you have 3. That's it. So for the second sum they have given us x plus y to 5 plus z xy is equal to 6, 2, 5 and 8. Right? You have, so you just need to compare it. Okay. If you compare it, what you will get? X plus y is equal to 6. So first equation. 5 plus z is equal to 5. Or you can write as x is equal to y 6 minus y. So substitute this in 2. Substitute in 2. What you will get? 6 minus y into y is equal to 8. So 6y minus y square is equal to 8. So y square minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay. And you will end up with y is minus 2 and y minus 4 is equal to 0. How you will factorize, right? So 2 comma 4. So if y is 2, x will be 4. If y is 4, x will be 2. So therefore x, y and z will be 4, 2, 0 or 2, 4, 0. Okay. Are you clear with this sixth sum? How to find the values of x and y, z? Okay. Okay. Then we are going for the seventh one. Okay. We are going for seventh one. The third subdivision. Okay. We are going for the third subdivision. What they have given is x plus y plus z, x plus z and y plus z. Okay. As 9, 5 and 7. So if we form as first equation, second equation and third equation, from 2 what you will get, x is equal to 5 minus z, and from 3 you will get y is equal to 7 minus z. So x and y in 1 means what you will get, 5 minus z plus 7 minus z plus z is equal to 9. So z value will be 3, right? If you solve this, you will get z value as 3. If you substitute z is equal to 3 in 2, you will get x is equal to 2. If you substitute z is equal to 3 in third equation, you will get y is equal to 4. So therefore, x, y, z will be 3, 4 and 3. Sorry, 2, 4 and 3. Okay, this is the third subdivision. Okay, so next one, 7th, you need to find a, b, c and d. Okay, so a minus b, 2a plus c, 2a minus b, 3c plus d is equal to minus 1, 5, 0 and 13 they have given. Compare it. Equal to minus 1. So 2a plus c is equal to 5. 2a minus b is equal to 0. Then 3c plus d is equal to 13. Okay, well, these are the 4 equations you are getting. So if you take 1 and 3, because it has only a and b coefficient is in 1 and 3rd equation. If you solve these two, you will get a is equal to 1. Okay, solve. How you will solve? A minus b is equal to minus 1. 2a minus b is equal to 0. So you will change the sign, right? So minus a is equal to minus 1. Appa a is equal to 1. So substitute a is equal to 1 in 1 first equation. So you will get b is equal to 2. So 1 minus b is equal to minus 1. Right? If 1 goes that side, minus 2. Minus b is equal to minus 2 is b is equal to 2. Okay. So you got the value. If a is equal to 1 in second equation, you will get 2 into 1 plus c, that is 5, and c is equal to 3. Okay. So if c is equal to 3 in fourth equation, if you substitute, you will get 3 into 3 plus d is equal to 13. So d is equal to 4. So what you got for a, 1, b, 2, 3, c and d, 4. These are the values for a, b, c, d we have found. Okay. So next question, 8th one. They have just asked us to find what is the matrix. It's just a one word thing, right? A is equal to aij m into n. So square matrix they have mentioned. We know that square matrix means it will be row and column will be equal. So the answer for that will be m is equal to n. Okay. We know, right? Square matrix is nothing but r will be equal to c. So by using that we can find what is possible with in the answer. M is equal to n is the only possible answer we have. Okay. So the 9th one, we are going to complete it actually. 9th one is 3x plus 7, 5, y plus 1, 2 minus 3x equal to 0, y minus 2, 0. That is 0, y minus 2, 8 and 4. So what you need to, it's also again no option, right? For this answer it will be not possible. Okay. So why they are saying not possible is the values of x and y should be same. But if we solve this, we will get the values for x and y different. Like we will get for the first 2 values we will get for x and 2 values we will get for y. The first value will be minus 7 by 3 and second value will be minus 2 by 3 and 3 and 7. So we are not getting the same value of x and for same values for y. So it is not possible. The answer for this is not possible. Okay. Okay. Then the last thing what they have asked is 3 into 3 matrix they have given. 0 or 1 is the clue they have given. So they have asked us to find, okay, 0 or 1 means 3 into 3 matrix. So they have asked to find the 3 into 3 matrix. The options are given, 4 options might be given. So if we do 2 power 9, okay, if you do 2 power 9, you will get the answer as 512. 3 into 3 matrix means we know that 9 elements should be there. Okay, the other options we won't get the 9 elements at the power. Okay, only by doing this, only this option will give you 2 power 9 is equal to 512. Other options like 27, 81, they won't give the power raised to 9, right? So you won't get the elements, 9 elements. So we are choosing the option 512. I think the D, option 4th, I think. So we have completed the exercise 4.1. I hope you people are thorough with this exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. You can comment my video. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the icon bell button so that you will get my notification whenever I upload. Thank you, people.